We have seen several weather alerts posted throughout the afternoon. Tim Miller in tracking storms tonight. And Tim, looking for a little bit of rough weather.
Yeah, Judy, that's true. Well, I guess the nice thing about this, if we can say that, we're talking by 9 o'clock, everything's pushed off towards the east. But in the meantime, thunderstorms continue very heavy rain, gusty winds, quarter-size hail, and dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning with some of the severe weather. But it's short-lived. Once it moves off, it's a much cooler weekend, so a couple more hours.
Well, I saw a few people on Facebook, and I didn't know where this one viewer lived, but she says it's barely raining in her area. She already has some power outages, so we could expect to see more of that probably throughout the night.
Yeah, that's true. I think over the next couple hours, if you don't have it now, you will within at least another hour or so. Then everything moves off towards the east. So if you head into the Grand Strand, that area, they're under the gun at least till midnight.
And the other thing I wanted to ask you about, tornado watch.
Correct.
For parts of the Midlands.
That's right. This would be for Kershaw, Fairfield County, Newberry County North. That's where the tornado watch is in effect. It means conditions are favorable for the development of tornadoes. Doesn't mean there's a tornado, of course. That means that is a possibility. So anytime you have severe weather, there's always a possibility that one of those storms may become tornadic.
All right. I know it's busy in the WIS Storm Center, so we'll keep checking in with you. And, of course, people can touch base with you on Facebook. And, of course, you'll be on the air all night.
And Twitter, too.
Oh, good.
Tim Miller, at Tim Miller SC, and we'll instant update you on what we find.
All right. We'll see you on air, on Twitter, and on Facebook. Thanks, Tim.